Hello friends, today's lecture is based on life cycle pattern of Oscillatoria. The systematic position of Oscillatoria. It is belong to division Cyanophyta, class Cyanophyceae. Previously this class is called as Mixophyceae. Recent name is Cyanophyceae. Then order Nostochales, family Oscillatoriaceae, and genus Oscillatoria. Means it is the member of division Cyanophyta or class Cyanophyceae, and this division or class algae commonly called as the blue-green algae. Okay, they also called as cyanobacteria. Then habitat means occurrence of the Oscillatoria. Oscillatoria is a freshwater alga found in wide variety of freshwater habitats like streams, ponds and lakes. Means it is a freshwater alga can occurs everywhere the freshwater bodies are available. Then in India, this genus represented about 105 species. There are 105 species of Oscillatoria occurs throughout the India. From these, Oscillatoria formosa, Oscillatoria angusta, Oscillatoria sancta, Oscillatoria princeps, Oscillatoria chlorina, and Oscillatoria colorata are the common. This is about the habitat. Then thallus structure of the Oscillatoria. Thallus structure means its vegetative structure. Point 1. Oscillatoria is an unbranched filamentous alga. First, the thallus type is, it is a filamentous algae. Filamentous algae may be branched or unbranched, but Oscillatoria algae is the unbranched algae, or its filament is the unbranched filament. So Oscillatoria is an unbranched filamentous alga. Number 2, the filaments of the Oscillatoria also called as trichomes. The filaments are also called as trichomes. The filaments or trichomes occur singly or are matted together to form thin or thick sheet. These Oscillatoria trichomes or filaments occurs singly in the water bodies, or they are intermingled with each other, and they can form the thick or thin sheet on the water bodies as a scum or as a algal layer. Number 3, all cells of a filament are similar in shape and structure. If you see the filament or trichome of the Oscillatoria, you can find that all cells are similar in shape. Okay. Number 4, the cell's breadth is usually greater than their height. You see in the next diagram the breadth of the cell is higher than the length. Number 5, in some species the apical cell of a filament carries a thickened membrane known as the calyptra. In many species of the Oscillatoria shows variation in their apical cell, but in some species the apical cell forms the specialized structure. That specialized structure is known as the calyptra. So this is these two photographs. First of the Oscillatoria filaments. You see in the first photographs the many Oscillatoria filaments are mixed with each other, and they form the mat-like structure on the water bodies. Okay, so that first photograph shows the natural view of the Oscillatoria filaments, and second photograph gives us idea about the microscopic view of the Oscillatoria filament. If you prepare the slide of Oscillatoria filament or trichome and observe under microscope, then you will find out these structures or this structure. Okay, this is about the Oscillatoria filaments. First photographs natural view, and second photograph microscopic view of the filament or trichome. Now this diagram gives us idea about the structure of the oscillatoria filament or structure of the oscillatoria trichomes. Okay, you see diagram number A, B, C, D. All filaments apical cells shows the variation in their structure. Okay. Then another thing is that all cells are similar in structure. Then breadth of the cells is larger than the height of the cell. Then in between some vegetative cells, the separation disc is present. You see in the A diagram the thick colored structure or thick colored disc-like structure. That disc-like structure is called as the separation disc. And in between the two separation disc, whatever cells are present, basically these cells are the vegetative cells. But at the time of vegetative reproduction, these cells are considered as a hormogonia, singular hormogonium. And single hormogonium contain one to many cells of the oscillatoria. So in this way, the hormogonium or hormogonia are developed in between the two separation disc or separating cells. And you see in the D diagram or C diagram, apical cell is somewhat cap-like structure, and this cap-like structure is differ from the another vegetative cell, and that apical cell, cap-like cell is called as the calyptra. Okay, you see in the diagram, all filaments are separate from each other according to their species. A diagram is the species of oscillatoria ani, B diagram of oscillatoria acuminata, C diagram is of oscillatoria princeps, and D diagram is of oscillatoria proboscidea. Then next explanation of the oscillatoria vegetative structure or the filaments. Number 6. The trichomes are naked. These trichomes are naked as they are the prokaryotic cells. The cyanophycean cells are the prokaryotic cells, they are not eukaryotic cells. So the trichomes or filaments are naked or are enveloped, means they are covered in a thin gelatinous sheath. These trichomes may be naked or they are covered by the gelatinous sheath. So their touch is gelatinous. When you touch the oscillatoria, that touch is the gelatinous touch due to this gelatinous covering. Number 7. In floating species of oscillatoria, numerous gas vacuoles are found in the cytoplasm. So this is the one of the characteristic of oscillatoria cells. This characteristic can found in the floating species of the oscillatoria. Then cell structure. The cell exhibits a typical prokaryotic structure, means cells are typical prokaryotic like a bacteria. In case of group algae, all algae are eukaryotic except cyanophyta. So only cyanophyta algae are the prokaryotic in nature. So they can show all characteristic of cell like the prokaryota, and such cells are also called as typical Mixophycean cells. Next, number 9, photosynthetic pigments. The main photosynthetic pigment is chlorophyll A. Along with chlorophyll A, the accessory pigments also present. They are C-phycocyanin and C-phycoerythrin, and these are the major pigments in the cyanobacteria or cyanophyta. But in case of oscillatoria, C-phycocyanin and C-phycoerythrin are the accessory pigment, and main pigment is the chlorophyll A. Then reserve or stored food, cyanophycine or cyanophycean, whatever may be, cyanophycine starch and glycoprotein, these are the reserve food present in the cells of the oscillatoria. Okay. Then movement of the oscillatoria trichomes or oscillatoria filaments. See the description. Oscillatoria exhibits spontaneous movement. Oscillatoria trichome shows the some movements. Okay. The rate of movement differ with the species. According to species, the movement rate is different. It is also affected by temperature, pH, viscosity of the medium and light intensity. The movement of the trichome is affected by these environmental factors as well as the physicochemical factors. Then the following two types of movements are recognized. These following two movements are famous in the oscillatoria as they show oscillatoria filament shows the movement. Number 1, gliding or creeping movement. It is gliding movement is very slow movement. Okay, gliding or creeping movement when the trichome exhibits rhythmic movements on any solid surface without the help of any visible organ. It is called a gliding movement. What is the meaning of gliding movement? When trichome exhibits rhythmic movement on any solid surface. When this movement can be occurs on the when the oscillatoria filament present on the solid surface. Okay. Then number 2, oscillatory movement. In case of oscillatory movement, the trichomes of oscillatoria move to the left and right side of the axis just like the pendulum. How pendulum goes toward the left side, right side, like that. The movement of the oscillatoria filament takes place from its original position towards its left side, then right, left, right, left, right, whatever may be, like a pendulum of the clock. Because of presence of such oscillatory movements, due to such oscillation or oscillatory movement, the genus having the name Oscillatoria. Due to that oscillatory movement, this genus having the name Oscillatoria. Then reproduction. Oscillatoria reproduces only vegetatively. The sexual reproduction in oscillatoria is totally absent because Cyanophyta cannot reproduce sexually. So that in case of oscillatoria also the sexual reproduction is absent, so that they can reproduce asexually. In case of asexual reproduction, these oscillatoria reproduce vegetatively by hormogonia as well as by fragmentation. Hormogonia means what? Hormogonium is the cell present in between two separation discs or two separation cells. Okay, and when these two separating cells become dry, the hormogonia are free from the filament and they can disperse through water from one place to another place, and when they settle down on the suitable substratum at particular maturity, they germinate and produce a new individual filament of the oscillatoria. This is about the hormogonia. Number 1, the hormogones. Hormogones means what? Small pieces of trichomes with one to many uniform cells. This hormogonium contains single to many cells of the oscillatoria. Okay, the hormogones are formed as a result of the death of intercalary cell. When suppose intercalary cells are dead, or second option is that by the formation of special biconcave separation disc. There are the two ways or two reasons that two reasons causes the hormogonium or hormogonia in the oscillatoria, that is the death of intercalary cells and the formation of biconcave separation discs. In between two discs, whatever cells are present, that cells are called as the hormogonium. Okay, number 2, hormogones are liberated by disintegration of the disc. When that discs are disintegrates or dry, disappears, hormogones are free from the trichomes. Each hormogones develops into new filament. After liberation, they settle down on the suitable substratum and they germinate and produce the new individual filament of the oscillatoria. So this is about the asexual reproduction or vegetative reproduction of the oscillatoria caused by the hormogonia. Second type of vegetative reproduction is the fragmentation. Fragmentation means, in case of fragmentation, small fragments means small segments, means small pieces, small segment of the trichomes or vegetative filaments takes place, and that small pieces having ability to regenerate mitotically, and they produce they causes the cell division and they produce the new individual filament of the oscillatoria. See fragmentation. Sometimes the trichome divides into small pieces due to insect bite or mechanical injury. These oscillatoria trichomes may be causes small pieces due to insect bite or mechanical injury. The fragments means small piece. The fragments of filament or trichome so formed have the capability of growing into new filaments by cell division, which is the mitosis. So in this way, fragmentation is the most common, most chief vegetative reproduction in the filamentous algae, and this oscillatoria is one of the filamentous algae, and in case of oscillatoria, this fragmentation is also very common. Now in this way, the life cycle pattern of oscillatory is over. Now this is the reference book I have used while preparing this PowerPoint presentation. Thank you.